get noticed in this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.